Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Gemaline Lanes, 44 years old, single. I am high school graduate. I have one brother, four sisters, and I am the third eldest to the siblings. I have working experience in Dubai from 2013 to 2015. I serve three persons. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing the clothes, and taking care of 12 years old boy. I am finished contract. My second employer in Hong Kong from 2015 to 2017. I serve three persons. I do cleaning, ironing, marketing, cooking, and washing and taking care of the 14 years old girl. I am finished contract. My previous employer in Hong Kong from 2017 to 2024. I serve three persons. I do cleaning, ironing, marketing, washing the clothes, and taking care of 12 years old boy. I finished contract. Sarma, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibility as domestic helper. I am happy, honest, hardworking, and a responsible person. Thank you. I will taking care of your family as my own family. I hope I will be your part of your family. Thank you, Mom and Sir.